Starting my internship at bigDAWGS promotion was like stepping into a world of endless possibilities. On my very first day, I got a company tour that opened my eyes to the incredible technology behind their craft. From the MGI machine to the varnish chambers and precise AOL cutting machine, I was fascinated by the level of detail and creativity that went into every print. For the very first project, I was tasked with designing Postcard for an upcoming exhibition. The challenge was to create patterns that showcased the beauty and potential of their foil and varnish capabilities. I chose a theme called Out of the Box, featuring a literal box with a circular leaf pattern emerging from it. My creative process started with ideation on paper, sketching out my ideas and refining them with feedbacks. Once the concept was clear, I moved on to the digital design, ensuring every detail aligns with the vision. Karan, my mentor, guided me through the technical aspects of preparing the document for print. While this process was a bit tedious, it was invaluable. Finally, the big day arrived. I got to work hand-on with the MGI machine, applying a soft touch lamination to the postcard and seeing the design come to life was an entirely new level of excitement. Watching the varnish layer drop onto my design, dry under the UV lamp, and then transform with vibrant, shiny foil was pure magic. Initially, I chose purple and rose gold foil, but when I saw the rose gold foil on the card, it didn't appear as vibrant as I imagined. Eventually, we decided to switch to holographic foil, which made my pattern stand out much more than the rose gold foil did. The moment I saw my print on paper, I was overwhelmed with joy and pride. It was a surreal feeling to see my creativity come to life in such a physical way. Next, we moved to the AOL machine, where my cards were precisely cut into perfect rectangles. Holding the final product in my hands were incredibly rewarding. For my second postcard, I took on a new challenge, working with multiple foils. Here's how it all came together. The design concept was focused on showcasing the beauty of different colored foils, so I chose red, green, blue, and gold to add depth and vibrancy. Initially, I used a black background to make the foils pop up, but after seeing the printed version, I realized some of the darker foils didn't stand out as well as I had hoped. Karan suggested trying a different color background to improve the contrast and enhance the foil's vibrancy. To test this, I printed versions with blue, white, and orange backgrounds to see how they interacted with the foils. We also experimented with incorporating holographic foil in one of the tests to enhance the effect. This version allowed me to refine the design and chose the most effective color combination. The composition was carefully laid with each foil to create a balanced and dynamic pattern. I also added a varnish finish to selected areas to increase the luxurious feel. The concept was to showcase bigDAWGS' promotion ability to utilize multiple foils on a single card, adding a premium and unforgettable touch. Seeing foils come to life in a print was an incredible experience. We did a lot of test print for this card. My colleague who was helping me with the final adjustment and I got a bit exhausted from running so many tests, but in the end the results were absolutely worth all the hard work and the time we invested. Out of all the background color experiments, which one do you think worked the best? This internship taught me not just the technicalities of print design, but also the art of bringing ideas to life with passion and flair. I'm grateful for the experience and can't wait to create more.
bigDAWGS.